Hello. So today we are going to solve today's Leetcode question. Leetcode 1422 maximum score after splitting a string. So given a string S of zeros and ones, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings, left substring and right substring. The score after splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left substring plus number of zeros in the right substring. So 0 1 1 1 0 1, you can see we'll split at the first one here, left 0 and right 1 1 1 0 1. The number of zeros is 1 here, and right number of ones here 4. So 4 plus 1 5. Let's take the second case. If we split at the second point, 0 1 is the left part, 1 1 0 1 is the right part. So 1, and there are 3 ones, so 3 1 0, so 1 plus 3 4. So at any point we are going to split, and we are checking the number of zeros in the left part and number of ones in the right part, and we are taking the maximum value. Yeah, so let's do the brute force in the sense we are just going to do what's mentioned here. So let's see, let's take int zeros, no int n equal to s dot length. Now int answer equal to 0. Now for int I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, right? We are taking it from 1 because we are splitting at the first position. You can see we are taking 0 0 1 0 1 1, so we will be taking 1, and we will write a function. So what function do we need? Suppose we'll split the string and we'll send the string. So let's suppose int k equal to sol s dot substring 0 comma I comma s dot substring I comma n, right? So we are sending two strings, like from 0 to I and from I to n. This is the first part of the string, this is the second part of the string. We'll go on I increase, then we'll get this, like this pattern. So what does solve return? Solve should return the sum, right? Sum of zeros in the first part and sum of ones in the second part. So we'll write int solve string a comma string b, int 0 is equal to 0, int 1 is equal to 0, and for char ss in a, right? Char ss in a, if ss equal to 0, then zeros plus plus, right? For char ss in b, if ss equal to 1, ones plus plus, right? Now we have zeros, now we have ones, return zeros plus ones, int k. Now we got this. Now we have answer, right? We need to update answer equal to max of answer comma k, return answer. Okay, it's not here. Okay, the test cases are passed. You can see here, right? Now, yeah, everything is passed. Let's see the time complexity. What is time complexity? So we are looping here, this is OFN, and then there is another loop right here inside this function. So time complexity is O of n star n, which is O of n square of n power 2. Now this is not efficient, right? O of n power 2. So we can actually solve this problem using linear complexity O of n. It's a simple trick. Let's check this out. So yeah, so what we are going to do here is, you can see, right, what we need is at any given point of time we need number of zeros on the left and number of ones on the right. So at any given point of time, if we have number of zeros on the left and number of ones on the right, we can solve this problem. But how do we get? So number of zeros on left can be solved using a simple counter. But what about right? How do we get the number of ones on the right? So simple formula is number of ones on right equal to total ones minus number of ones on left. This is because the string has only zeros and ones, right? So if you have total ones, if you take an example 0 1 1 1 0 1, at the second position here, if we say total number of ones on the right, total ones equal to 4 and number of ones here is 2, on left equal to 2. So on right we get 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Simple formula. So we just need to keep track of we just need to find all ones in the string, and we keep two counters for zeros and ones as we go on the loop. Let's code it. So int n equal to s dot length. Now we will give that int answer equal to 0. Now int ones count equal to 0 for char ss in s if ss equal to 1, ones count plus plus, right? Now we have total ones. Now we need to do the loop. So let's take int 0 is equal to 0, int 1 is equal to 0. So we are going to keep track of zeros and ones as we go on the loop. So for int I equal to 0, then n I plus plus. Now if s of I equal to 0, then we do zeros plus plus, else ones plus plus, right? Now what we need have, now we are keeping track of the current number of zeros and current number of ones at a particular point. Now we need to find, now we get number of zeros on the left. Now how to find the number of ones? We do simple manners. So we'll keep int right nums equal to ones count minus ones, right? Now answer equal to max of answer comma zeros plus write write once. Okay, write once, return answer. Okay, okay, so we have a case here 0 0, output is 2, expected is 1. So normally we are splitting at 1 only, we are not splitting at the end, right? So if we split at 1, we have 1 zeros only, there are no ones, so 1. So if we split at the end, there are 2 zeros on the right and nothing on left, so we are not taking the last case, I guess. Let's go to this. Okay, so you can see here, right? 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 and right is 1. So we are not taking 0 1 1 1 1 and empty string, so we just need to eliminate the last one, last iteration. Yeah, you can see here, right? Got accepted. So what is the time complexity here? O of n. So we are doing O of n here and we are doing O of n here, so we reduced it from O of n square to O of n. It's a simple trick. Yeah, thanks.